Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. For this month, I choose one of my favorite short animated film as my theme. Can you guess it? I draw one of its poster as cover page. It is a Pixar famous short animated film Pepper. It won the Academy Award for Best Animated Short Film at the 89th Academy Awards. It's the story about a hungry sandpaper baby named Pepper learning to overcome her fear of water. Sandpaper is a good symbol for problem solving and going great distance to achieve goals, either physically or geographically. In every way, sandpaper is a admirable, beautiful, and if you not watch this movie yet, I suggest you to watch it. It is a very good motivational movie.
So we need to count the seashells. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 6 equals to 3.
Very good.
Here my son is trying to learn math and playing with my pops. He is always trying to grab my attention whenever I am drawing. He is too little to understand how much this is important to me. Anyway, back to Bujo. These are my calendar page and brain dump page, but I prefer to call them planning page together. Yes, you can change the name of any log, add or subtract any log. There is no set rule or setup for Bujo. As it said, bullet journal is a journal designed by you for you. I use journal word here because I sometimes use it as journal and sometimes as diary. Someone calls it planner, someone calls notebook, someone as diary. Every name suits it perfectly because of its versatility. Back to my drawing. For this page, I am trying to illustrate that moment when Pepper is feeling very hungry. She wants to join the flock, her mom, but she is terrified of waves and refuses to leave the nest. I am trying to showcase that emotion here. As you can see, here I draw grasses with only color pencils. I did not use black outline for grasses that give them natural look, and I am quite happy with that. What do you think about this? Please comment below. This is my habit tracker page, but I prefer to call it positive lifestyle page. As you already know, I change my log's name over the time. Who knows, I may change the name of this log again in next month, or upcoming months. But I can ensure you that I will definitely keep the positive word. This log bring lots of positive habit, not only my life, also my husband and son's life. This month I did not make mood tracker separately. I track my mood here as graph chart with my productivity level and wasting time in phone. I will trying this type of mood tracker first time. I don't know how it will be going on. I will share that update on my Insta account later. I will add all our silly habits after the shooting. For this page, I illustrate that moment of Pepper when she find her own way to solve her problem, overcome her fear of water. I really want some positive picture for this page, and I think this is the best picture for this page. For drawing, as you see, after inking, I clean all the graphite carefully. Then I preserve all light and shadow first. Only after that I add the colors. For blending, most of the time I used burnishing method. Burnishing is my favorite method for blending. For this method, you should keep your color pencils sharp all the time. This is the cover page for my diary of November. As I told you earlier, I am using my Bujo as my diary also. For this page, I draw my favorite moment from the film Pepper when Mummy Pepper is very happy and proud on her child. As a mother, I relate with that feelings. Spelling mistake. No worries, I can correct it.
I can correct it.
For larger area or background, I prefer to use tissue paper for blending. I think I should narrate the story to you so you can relate easily with my feelings and understand the emotions behind of my every illustrations. I explain the story in very short for you. A flock of sandpaper hunt for food at a seashore, rushing to pick at the sand when the wave recedes and taking flight when it's come in. One baby sandpiper named Pepper is waiting for her mom to feed her, but mom of Pepper did not come and motivate her to be part of flock and get meals independently. However, she fails to pull away in time and is soaking wet through the incoming surf. The incident leaves Pepper so terrified of water, she refused to depart the nest, but soon noticed a team of hermit crabs digging into the sand to find deeper food and keeping from being buffeted with the aids of the tide. By copying their behavior, Pepper begins to see the beauty of the underwater world and became knowledgeable and discovering meals for the flocks. As a mom, I always want that my son become an independent and responsible person in future and makes us proud. Though he is very little now, we always motivate him and as well teach him to do his work independently, like brushing, doing homework, taking bath, eating and wearing clothes, etc. Again it's time to go back my bujo. These are pages for my diary. Last month I kept my diary pages blank. I felt bad about that later. So I decided to draw a beach scene at the bottom of my diary pages. For this I cut the bottom of some pages to make a window for my illustration. Then I draw a seashore at the bottom of my first and last page of my diary. Don't worry, I count my diary page from last month for the exact number of pages and leave extra page also. If I need more page, then I will add some extra pages also. For drawing seashells, I take reference from my seashell collection. Real reference is always better than photograph. We are reached almost the end. Before ending the video, take a flip through of my whole November bujo setup. Thank you so much for your precious time. If you like my work, please like the video so I can know you like my work. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and also press the bell icon so you will never miss my new video, and please share the video. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. I will coming back very soon with new Bujo video. Till then, bye bye.